This is my unika iho, Raylan's Clive Takubo. Ay, Tan. Andito siya, sleeping. Dito si Lola. We're here in St. Ignatius. We're home na. Look at the beautiful home. See? Oh, si Mami. Ayan, no, si Clive, oh. Tinan mo, Clive, oh. Ang ganda ng garden mo, oh. Nature is all yours. You have an electric fan pa. Hopefully, anak, if you will grow up, you want to stay here. May mosquito net ka pa. Binili namin ng mami mo.
Oh, maganda ang ano niya. Dress A. Sa kwarto live, mainit. Gabi lang.
See, very fresh. Wala nang aircon. Hindi na kailangan mag-aircon for you.
Nakakatipid daw ang lola ng kuryente.
Grabe. See the garden. Anak, sweet dreams. Take care always. We love you so much. Aww.